In the phrase learning designer, you may think the word that should receive the most emphasis is learning. But if learning is going to occur for all students, we need to be equally intentional about the role of designer. Coaches play a valuable role in helping their schools focus on promoting learning that is personalized, regardless of whether students are in a physical or virtual environment. Coaches understand the importance of formative assessment in informing that design, and they advocate for design that reaches to the edges of flexibility and access for all learners. Review the 3 objectives for this module. As you progress through this module, you'll collect evidence and create a product that explains your roles and aspects in Fairfax County Public Schools and as a learning designer. You'll describe how coaches do or can encourage the development of effective digital age learning using a range of digital tools. You should decide what kind of product best relates to your role and how you support learning design with your colleagues. You may choose to craft a position paper or share entries from a reflective journal, or document your practice with images or video. Or you may combine multiple elements or create several products. The only requirement is that your ultimate product be digital and that you share it.